Join A Better Life for Kids' newest project, the Eggs for Kids campaign. Did you know that eggs supply our brains with protein to help us learn better and function at a higher level? They also protect against disease and help kids grow up to be big and strong. In Ghana, most children eat rice as their main staple, which is an unbalanced diet that lacks the essential protein kids need. This makes them more vulnerable to diseases like diarrhea, malaria, meningitis, and typhoid. So how can we make a difference? A Better Life for Kids is building a self-sustainable chicken farm, and we need your help. The farm will ensure a guaranteed daily source of protein for the children. Selling extra eggs at market will create income to maintain and grow the farm. And we are hiring local farmers to manage the chickens and teach the older children how to farm. These children are malnourished and desperately need more protein in their diets. This sustainable farm is an incredible opportunity to help save and improve the lives of more than 150 babies and children. We need you to make this meaningful, life-changing project possible. Help us give the orphans the nutrition they need to succeed. Donate to the Eggs for Kids campaign today.